Good evening, Gator families, and welcome to our 2021-2022 Virtual Open House. My name is Mrs. Ingersoll, and I am the proud principal here at Wellington Landings Middle School. At this time, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. We are so excited for you to take a tour with your child through their day at WLMS. Tonight, you will join each of their 6 classes, meet their teachers, find out about the topics that they will cover in each class, see their Google Classrooms, and much more. There is a brief 5-minute break in between each class so that you can move on to the next classroom. You will need to be logged into your child's portal, and each class code will be WLMS plus the teacher's last name in SIS. The key to success in middle school is staying organized. Please make sure to check your SIS gateway to monitor your child's grades at least twice a week. Students should also keep assignments and upcoming events in their Google Calendar. We have already completed lessons on the importance of time management and organization. Finally, please discuss our acronym GET with your child. This stands for G, check your Google Classroom, E, check your email at least twice a day, and T, talk to your teachers.